Welcome to the course, An Orientation to Using the Online Sendai Framework Monitor. This video will show you how to use this online course and get the most out of the learning experience. As you navigate through the course, we recommend that you use the arrows on this top scroll bar to move through the course content. This will ensure that you follow the course in the correct sequence so that you do not miss any material. Otherwise, you can choose to skip to the exact module or unit using this course outline on the left sidebar. However, if you would like to receive a certificate of completion at the end of this course, keep in mind that you will need to go through all of the required course content and complete related quizzes. Not all units have quizzes. Units with quizzes have this icon and quiz noted on the course outline to the left. You can also keep track of which units have quizzes by downloading the course outline in the introduction page. When you complete quiz problems, you will receive instant feedback on your responses. By clicking Show Answer, you can see the explanation for the correct answer. You can check your progress by clicking on the button Progress at the top of this course. This section will show you your progress on all of the course quizzes. You must pass 75% of quiz questions to receive a certificate of completion. Once you complete all quizzes and pass 75% of questions or more, your certificate will become available for download in the same progress page. Ensure that your full name is inputted into the system under Account to have your full name in your certificate. A big part of this course is the social aspect. We highly encourage you to use discussion boards to ask questions, share ideas, and connect with other Sendai Framework Monitor users, course participants, and staff. Discussion boards are always available at the end of each module. In Module 3, discussion boards will additionally be available at the end of tutorials for reporting on each target's A to G for you to ask target-specific questions. You can also search for discussion boards through the Discussion tab. Click on this icon to find the discussion board relevant to your comment or question. You can engage with posts by voting for good posts and responses, reporting inappropriate or unrelated posts, and to follow or unfollow posts. You can also check this box to receive daily emails to notify you on new or unread discussion activity from posts that you are following. Take a moment to get familiarized with the different components of this course. If you have any general questions or comments, leave a post in the introduction discussion board, and our course staff will be happy to assist you. We hope you enjoy this course.